Alright, so today we're going to take you guys out and show you probably the most iconic landmark in all of Istanbul. Let's get going. Okay, so we just got off the subway here in Sultanahmet, so we're going to show you a little bit of the walk as we're heading down towards this famous landmark.
And one thing, it's a holiday today here in Turkey, so you can see everybody out kind of enjoying their day. You see a lot of Turkish flags because it is Victory Day in Turkey. Walking through Sultanahmet right now, lots of little shops and things on our way to go check out one of what's supposed to be one of the coolest things in this city. We're also looking for a park that's supposed to be around here, but we're not sure how to get in. There appears to be like a big wall around it and not a lot of little entrances, so we'll see what we can do.
Okay, I think we've made it here. Let's go have a look around.
This spectacular piece of architecture behind us is the Hagia Sophia. It was built in the 6th century under the reign of the Emperor Justinian. It was the largest cathedral in the whole wide world for almost 1,000 years. In the 16th century, when the Ottomans took over, they built these beautiful minarets and converted it into a mosque. And we're going to go inside and have a look. built a dome this height in a space this cavernous, 1,500 years ago is absolutely mind-blowing. So it's really kind of hard to put into words, like the feelings you get in that building. It's, words really don't do it justice. We tried to take a lot of footage. Hopefully that will speak for itself, but I'm not sure that we've got the skills to convey how majestic that is.
Yeah, it's a little overwhelming, to be honest with you, to see something like that. But you have to check this little guy out here too, because he seems to be following us all over the compound.
We made a new friend.
Okay, so we've just come over to the Blue Mosque here. Unfortunately, not really worth going indoors. It's under renovation. There is nothing to see inside of there right now. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. We're probably going to move from here and try and see if we can go find ourselves some food.
Bathing in architectural magnificence makes one hungry.
Okay, another day of adventures out looking at things, and everywhere you turn, this is the type of stuff you see all over the place. It's just stupid beautiful. Alright, so we're just walking towards the Galata bridge right now, and we have happened upon a little bazaar of some kind here. We're not exactly sure what it is, but it's pretty packed.
Pretty packed, super narrow little laneways, just filled with shop after shop. It's pretty cool.
Here you go, here's your Turkish traffic jam.
Human traffic jam, like we literally cannot walk. Okay, after winding our way through all of those super densely packed market streets, we finally made our way to the Galata Bridge. It crosses over the Golden Horn. We're gonna take a walk across it. There's a ton of people fishing off of it, which is pretty cool. We're gonna take a walk across and see if we can't find something to eat because I'm starving.
Okay, so we were just informed by one of the employees. We just stopped in. We didn't even know the name of the place, and we were just informed by one of the employees. The name of this restaurant is Balik. So we're going to give this a shot and see how it goes.
So we're just sitting here waiting for our food, and I'm looking just off to the left casually, and there's, the minarets of a mosque, and then I look over, there's street art. There's people walking around, and it's just, this city is really, really something. It's got this like mishmash of like traditional and modern. It's got amazing food. The people have all been so kind to us. It's just a little bit overwhelming. This city is really making an impression on me. We have a Balik Durum. It's a fish wrap. It looks delicious. It smells so good. It's perfect.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's really good. I would highly recommend this place.
Catching a boat back to Katakoi. Hoping that we're on the right boat because the sign wasn't working. And hoping to be back at our Airbnb to relax. It's been a long day. We did a lot of walking and
So we've made it back to our Airbnb. Hope you guys enjoyed what we were able to show you of the Hagia Sophia today.
if you have suggestions or comments, leave them below and
Be sure to like and subscribe and see what happens next.